Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave and another amazing day of Dollar General couponing deals. Today I've put together a nice assortment of laundry supply couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, July 22nd at Dollar General. But before we get started, don't forget, I'm currently doing a really special giveaway because my YouTube channel recently reached a big milestone of 15,000 subscribers. So I'm giving away a free copy of a hardback Fourth Wing book. I'm super excited. This book is sold out everywhere. It's super popular, and I was lucky enough to get an extra copy of it to use as a giveaway prize. So if you're interested and you want to be entered into the drawing, what you got to do is 1, subscribe here to my YouTube channel, 2, like this video, 3, leave me a comment down below in this video, and 4, email me a screenshot showing that you're subscribed here to my YouTube channel. It's very important. You got to do all 4 steps. The winner will be announced this Saturday, July 22nd at 10 p.m. And as a quick reminder, here is this week's deal video posting schedule for my YouTube channel. Take a screenshot of it so you know which day you can expect which category of couponing deals. Makes it super, super easy. And make sure you're subscribed and click on the notification bell. Turn on all notifications. That way, when I do post these deal videos, you'll receive a notification. You'll be one of the first people to know about it, and you won't miss out. So let's get started with these deals. For this first deal, grab 1 bag of Tide Pods, 1 medium-sized bag of Gain Flings, 1 container of Gain Fireworks, and then 1 of the Airwick Vibrant plug-in refills for $7. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.95 plus tax. This is a 53% off savings. Now, this is an awesome, awesome deal if you are new to couponing because there's not a lot of different pieces to it, and it's really easy to remember this one. Now, the other day I mentioned that this is an amazing week to stock up on laundry cleaning supplies, especially fabric softener. We have so many great coupons to stock up on fabric softener. So grab 1 of the Downy Lush scented scent boosters, 1 of the big bottles of Downy fabric softener, and then 1 of the medium-sized bottles of Gain fabric softener. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $14.40 plus tax, a 47% off savings. Now, I know this is just a little bit more of a higher out of pocket than we usually do, but remember, we are stocking up on big bottles of product here. I am super excited for this deal. I can't even hide it. We're going to grab 2 bottles of Lysol laundry sanitizer, 1 pack of Bic Soleil razors, and 2 Febreze Air Effects. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $11.20 plus tax, a 59% off savings. I am absolutely doing this deal to stock up on the Lysol laundry sanitizer before back to school season comes in. If you're like me and you're a big fan of OxiClean, I mean, who really isn't? That stuff cleans everything, but it's super expensive. If you've never tried this True Living Oxy multi-purpose cleaner, you are missing out. It's a great product for virtually like half the price. Great product. I highly encourage you to stock up on it, like in this deal. Grab 2 tubs of the True Living Oxy Cleaners, 2 Airwick Vibrant plug-in refills, and then 1 bottle of the Febreze Unstoppable Spray. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $13 even plus tax, a 55% off savings, which is amazing when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Oxy Cleaner. Here's another awesome and super, super easy couponing deal for you to stock up on fabric softener for super cheap. Grab 1 of the big bottles of Gain fabric softener, 1 medium-sized bottle of Gain fabric softener, and then 1 of the Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.95. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $14.40 plus tax. I'm telling you, this is a fantastic week to stock up on fabric softener. You're going to see a lot of it in today's video. And if you are enjoying these deals, please, please, please take a moment and hit that thumbs up like button. It makes a huge difference for my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. So moving on, grab 1 bag of Tide Pods, 1 big bottle of Downy fabric softener, and 1 tub of the Lysol disinfecting wipes. Definitely a must-have staple in my household going into back-to-school season. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $14.65 plus tax, a 45% off savings. One of my favorite things that I like to teach people when they are just getting started with couponing, and what I call like my personal style of couponing, is just because you don't have a coupon for something does not mean you still can't work it into a deal and get an amazing savings on it. We almost never get coupons for Shout Stain Remover, and yet I try to work it in at least several weeks a month because it's an awesome product, and I mean, we need it anyways, right? So grab 2 bottles of that Shout Stain Remover, 1 Airwick Vibrant plug-in refill, 1 bag of Tide Pods, and 2 of the Febreze Small Spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $15.65 plus tax. Can we please take a moment to put it out into the couponing universe that we would really appreciate some good coupons. Now, keyword, good coupons to stock up on dryer sheets. We used to get good coupons. Tongue twister. We used to get really awesome coupons for them all the time, and then all of a sudden they stopped. But we got this $2 off Gain dryer sheets, so we're going to stock up. Grab 1 200 count box of Gain dryer sheets, 1 bottle of Gain Fireworks, 2 Febreze Air Effects, and then 1 Chic Women's Razor. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $10.05 plus tax for a 62% off savings. Now, I also want to mention here, if Dollar General gets their act together and gets the 5 off of 20 Gain coupon working like it's supposed to, make sure you clip it here because you would end up getting an extra $5 off, assuming that your store hasn't already updated their register systems. Awesome way to save money. One of my favorite things I've been trying to work into my couponing deals recently is including some more non-toxic cleaning supplies, and definitely in my house, white vinegar and hydrogen peroxide are a must. They are great cleaners. So grab 2 gallon-sized bottle of Clover Valley white vinegar, 4 of the 16-ounce size hydrogen peroxide, 1 Downy Rinse and Refresh, and 2 of the Febreze fabric refreshers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $14.05 plus tax for a 45% off savings. If you are a fan of scent booster beads, let this be your sign that this is the week to stock up. We have so many amazing coupons for them. Like in this deal, grab 1 bottle of Drift laundry detergent, 1 bottle of the Downy Lush Scent Booster. If you've tried this one, by the way, let me know what it smells like because I'm really curious how it compares to the calm scent of the Downy Unstoppables. I would love to know. Grab 1 bottle of the Downy Cool Cotton Scent Booster and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $11.35 plus tax, a 59% off savings. Now, if you're looking for even more couponing deals, you're going to want to check out the comments down below for information for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. You'll be able to download my complete couponing deals list this week, and it has, no joke, 110 couponing deals for all the major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. Things like cleaning supplies, laundry, toilet paper, paper towels, even diapers are on this list. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I also want to say a really quick thank you to all of you that have been leaving these beyond amazingly sweet comments down below my comments on my videos. You've really brightened my day the last several days, so I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate you. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well. Turn on all notifications, super important. That way, whenever I post deal videos or I do one of my live couponing chats, you'll receive a notification. You'll be one of the first people to know about it and you won't miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.